Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting comfortable in chest-deep or deeper water with a partner nearby. Relax your body. Tension sinks you. Once done, tilt your head so your chin is slightly raised and breathe steady, slow exhales. Move immediately into a vertical float and begin light sculling with your hands at chest level to create lift. Simultaneously, kick from the hips with small, rhythmic motions. Don't overkick. This combination of breath control, sculling, and gentle kicks gives you immediate buoyancy and a stable base to build on. Now you refine the middle work. Find a sustainable kick. You can use a small flutter or an egg beater style motion. Either works if you kick from the hips, not the knees. Make sure to synchronize arm sculls and breaths. Inhale quickly through the mouth when your chin clears and return to a controlled exhale. Once done, monitor your tempo using 30-60-second effort intervals so you don't tire. Keep movements compact and regular. This conserves energy and maintains steady lift, so you can stay upright longer with less effort. Finish by focusing on endurance and an exit plan. Keep your shoulders relaxed and let your hips rotate slightly to alternate muscle groups, which delays fatigue. Once ready to leave the water, move toward shallow water or a ladder using deliberate small kicks and steady sculls. Make sure to conserve energy. Short bursts of stronger kicks can reposition you. If you begin to sink, don't panic. Widen your hand sculls and increase kick frequency for 5 to 10 seconds. Then return to the calmer rhythm once you regain buoyancy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.